everyone. I'm Zoe. This is my mom. And what are you doing today?
Aloha! So, in today's video, I'm gonna show you the DIY. Yan, naghain na naman yung anak ko. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi!
I'm Zoe.
I'm Zoe. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna
ang anak. Baby.
Oh, baby daw. Okay. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the DIY of my hair color. So I made the hair color earlier and I make some videos of it. So ngayon, so it's a different video. Nakapag-ayos na ako and then my hair is already wet. So this is my finished product, which is I really recommend the color. But my hair has already a bleach, which has this highlights. It's a highlight. I really like it because it gives color, more color on the top, and the blend, it's so nice. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but it's really nice. So yeah, I hope you watch the video from the beginning until the end. So I told my partner yesterday to color my hair, but I don't think he can do it, so I'll just do it by myself. So this is my hair now, and just stay with me because I'm going to show you how it's done. So guys, this is the brand that I'm using, the Bremod Performance. So maybe you can buy this one at any stores near you or in the malls near you. So it's metallic gray, 9.01 metallic gray, and there's in the instructions, directions, and how to applications, and Hydrox, the Bremod colored Hydrox for the mix, so you can mix it with the hair dye. It's a 12% volume, so sabi nila it's mas makalight daw ito for the hair. If you want more lighter hair, then you need to use the 12% volume 40. So yeah, we can mix it up with our hair dye, which is the metallic gray. I'm so excited to do this one. It's two times or 76. 7 mixing bowl. It's so cute. And a brush. So yeah, let's begin. 4 years old. Yeah, and she's so big now. Say hi.
Hi.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe So guys, ayan na siya. We are going to do our last layer. So, ito na. Hirap ng hairdresser. Daban lang. If people will just look at me having those black hairs like an old woman. So even my comb, please. Just have to comb it. Mas makita ko talaga yung mga siya. Huh?
A little bit more of this.
Okay. So yeah, as you saw in the video, my partner is asking me if I wanted to at least mga ano sa bahay, at least do some learning. We can put some learning videos on the TV and
Aloha.
yeah, aloha again. Because when I woke up earlier, I was just sitting in the table, in the chair, and he's asking me, "What are you doing?" So I was like, he's heading to the pool already, and I just woke up, and then I was just sitting, and then I just told him I was bored. And then when we're doing the color in his hair, he ask me if I want to do something. So not for me to be bored. Huh?
Did you see that?
Yeah, what is it?
Boat. Boat.
Oh yeah, there's a boat.
I can see it. It's
I don't know if you
blue.
can see it. So I don't know. It's way too far. So yeah.
So the
Yeah.
boat- There's a boat.
It's a nice day
there.
today.
Yes,
It's
but there's a boat. Sailing
beautiful.
there.
breezy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Momo.
And it's Sunday. That's why it's very
Mom, two boats.
two boats. Where's the yeah, there's another boat.
Maybe it's going over
So
there.
going back to what I said, maybe we will just put some learning videos so we can just at least learn for half an hour or so. So it would be nice. Living here in the condo is kind of boring. It has been 3 months that
Now
we're
it's
here,
not
so
boring.
my daughter told me that it's not boring.
It's not boring here.
It's not boring here. Why it's not boring?
It's too nice right here.
It's too nice right here. Yeah, I'm not complaining about where we are right now because it's perfect. The pool is open. Your papa is here. But I mean, I used to do so much. I mean, I'm not working, but I used to do so much at home. We have this store that I can work on too. So yeah.
So my toys is here. I can play, but there's so many toys. My mom bring it. Have lipstick on your hair.
Okay. Gano? Okay. Oh, you're in the video and then you're doing like that. So, can you tell them where are you?
We're mental, so my papa is here. So we live on the condo. We find the condo. It's really small or big. Then we are, and here you can see the beach. So there's so many sharks there.
I'm sure there's sharks there.
Yes, and there, and far on there, and far. When I was a kid,
You're still a kid.
when I was still a baby like this, there was a shark.
You just saw the sharks.
Yes.
Wow.
Then I hold it.
Wow, that's magnificent. Are you sure about that?
He told me that. My mom told me that. Then
So I'm a liar. I didn't tell you that. Don't
Yes.
be a liar.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you.
Did you told me that when we was there? Then
Okay.
you told me that when I was a kid that I saw a shark, then she bites my bottom.
Yucks.
Then there's
So, can you bite your bottom, eh? So,
then
this is the end of our video. I hope you like and subscribe. So, no, stop now. This is the end of the video. So, I hope you will still watch another video of us in the next few days. Thank you for watching. Bye.
You hope subscribe.
I hope you.
I hope you like it. Then there's so many trees here or anything that you
Okay,
want. So
bye.